Hello, this is November 5 Yankee X-Ray. I'm going to do a short video on how to use the digital side of the Yaesu Wires X program. And hopefully I won't leave anything out, but this will hopefully cover most of the general details on how to send voice, text, and also pictures. This is the program that we have running right here on a laptop. Basically what we do to send a data file, you click on the news button right there. What it does is it will pop up a window, and as you can see, if it will focus, is I have 22 messages in the local newsroom over here. You can see local news, there's 22 messages. These are all the ones that I've currently uploaded. So what I'm going to do, you can also right click and delete if you don't want the messages. So let me just delete a few unnecessary ones. And you can see I've uploaded this photo, and it's just a picture that I took with the camera mic of the DR1X repeater that I have in my room. And instead of uploading it on camera, just trust me, it did the transfer, and I'll explain how I did it. Here's a voice recording. I'll also explain how I was able to do that. So what we do, if you want to upload something from your computer, you would go to Input. You would select whether you want to send it to a node or the room. You would go, we'll start with text. You select text, and you basically type in whatever text you want, hello from Texas, and you click set. And basically what that will do is it will send the text. As you can see, everyone in the room has now received that text, and that's extremely easy to do. You can also do it on the handheld, but you have to punch a bunch of keys, and it'll be difficult to do while recording this video. You can also do pictures from your desktop, voice, and emergency voice. Emergency voice, what's nice about that is you can record your voice, and every 5 minutes it will broadcast in whichever room that you're in a emergency recording of your choosing. So whatever you choose, whatever message you want to send, it'll repeat every 5 minutes for the next 2 hours. So don't get carried away. It's not something commonly used, but it is a nice feature for people in areas or Skywarn or some type of emergency communication. I guess some people might use it for nets. They could say we're having a net at so and so time, and that might be acceptable in some rooms. Currently I'm in the America Link room. It's room number 21080, which I'm the administrator for. Basically, let's start with going back to the news window, and let me show you my my handheld. This is the FT2. Sorry for the blur, but basically you can see that I'm in America Link, 31 users, news station, and I selected voice that I want to upload. All you really have to do, you don't need the hand mic, but all you have to do is key down, and you can see the red light above the radio, and it's recording what I'm saying right now. And when I unkey, you see the blue light. And what it did is, if we go back to the software, it actually uploads it automatically. It's really nice that you just key down. As long as you're in the right window, it will upload automatically. So this is the voice that I just uploaded, and you go down here and select play. Let's listen to it. It might be low volume, but it basically records, and that's That's how you do the voice. So let me close this window. And we did the text, we did the voice, and the next step will be pictures. So you select picture, and here's a list of all the pictures that I've taken. The one I took earlier was right here. As you can see, it has a little camera next to it. When it has an arrow, up means upload, down means download, and I think the arrow to the left means forward to all. But I'm going to go to the one with the picture icon, and what it's going to do is it's going to read the memory card and show that the picture that I've taken, and that's the one I uploaded. It takes roughly about 60 seconds to do, for it to save and upload to the room. So instead of doing it again, you just click upload and it'll post it to the room as long as you're in the right area. So let's go back, and I'm going to show you how to take a picture real quick on the FT2. And it's the same on the FT1, but it doesn't have the display. So all you do with the hand mic is you take this, you point it in the direction of what you want to take, and you press the little camera button, and you'll see on the display my FT2. Sorry, somebody keyed up. But basically, you point, click, and there you go. That's the picture. So you click save on the FT2, and it's processing. And then the next step would be send. It's saved on the memory card, which you could take the memory card out, put it into the PC and transfer it that way, or you can just click send. And that's basically it. If there's anything else or any questions that you have, just let me know, and I'll post more later. I just wanted to create a short video for anybody that might have questions with the FT2 or digital. Have a great day. 7.3 N5YX.